In this tutorial, I'll take you through joining two data feeds together. Here I have two data feeds, fruit sales and one called market price lookup. Let's take a quick look at that one and see what it looks like. You can see that I have a column named code, and we're going to use that one as our lookup key. And then we have another one called today's market prices. Let's now go back to that first data feed, the fruit sales one. We're going to use that one as the file that we merged the other one into. So let's go into the feed editor. So now you can see that we have our codes in this file as well, but of course we don't have the market prices. By clicking on this icon here, you will have the ability to select and configure data feeds that contain the data you want to merge. So here's our lookup feed. And as an aside, if you need to search for data feeds, if you have lots of data feeds, you can click on this filter icon here. So now let's go back. We'll choose the market price lookup data feed and then click next. And the first thing you'll be asked for is to specify the key that you will use to align these two data feeds. And of course, we're going to select code for both of them and then click next again. And then of course, you can select the data that you want to merge. And in our case, there's only one thing that we want to merge. We want to bring in market price. And now, just depending on the type of join needed, the type of data that you have, there are some additional options. But in almost all cases, the default selection that we have on the prior step will result in a proper join. So then click merge, and right away you can see that we now have our market prices side by side in our original data feed. And that's it. That's how to configure and merge data from other data feeds.